Hey Zoe, welcome to week 2 of Marketing Online. This week, if we look at the calendar, we have 1.01 and 1.02 by next Monday, January 20th, which is a holiday. I know you won't be in school. So if you don't get it finished, you can turn it in by Tuesday. You've already finished everything you need to do for the course orientations. That's good. So this week we're doing, if we go to the Unit 1 Marketing, it just kind of goes over what the whole unit is about, and it has the learning targets. You can read through that. And 1.01, I want you to notice that at the top of each page, it tells you what is for a grade and what is just for your notebook or whatever. And if you need me to print off any of this stuff for you, please let me know. I'll be glad to print off the notes for you if you need me to. So the first thing that goes in your notebook, if you feel like you need to write it in there, is your essential questions, your learning targets, and the criteria for success. This first box is just think about it. You read it and think about it. It's not a grade. It introduces you to what we're going to be talking about. And this is your vocabulary. You probably want to go through and find those going to the glossary page, just so you'll be familiar. But they're also in this set of notes. And you'll go through the PowerPoint. You don't have to turn anything in. And like I said, if you want, I can probably print these off for you if you need me to. And your first assignment is the Model T. This is a discussion, and it's talking about customers. Henry Ford said customers can have any color Model T they want as long as it's black, meaning he sold the same car to everybody. There was no difference in the cars. They were all black. They all had the same type of parts to them. They were all the same. You walked on, you just said, I want one, and you took it. You didn't have anything to choose from. So how are cars marketed today? And you're just going to tell me in your discussion. You click Discuss and New Post, and you can click Discussion Details, and you can see what you have to answer. The subject can just be Model T or whatever you want it to be. And you tell me, how are cars marketed today? Do any businesses still think with that Model T mentality? So there's your first assignment. This is called a lap. This is our chapter book. This is the book for this class. And your next assignment is you're going to copy these questions and put them on a piece of paper. You can either print it off or you can put it in a Google Doc. And then as you read through the book, you're going to answer these questions using the chapter. And then you will turn that Google Doc into me right here. And that's all for 1.01. If we look at 1.02, you've got the same thing you had in 1.01. It tells you what you've got to do in 1.02. A lot of it is not for a grade. It's just what you need to do. Your learning targets and your criteria for success. Here's the vocabulary. You'll find that in the notes here. So take the notes for this one. There's an ethics case study, and you'll read the case study about a real world incident, and then you'll answer these questions by clicking on discussion. And then we have another chapter, and you will copy and paste the chapter questions and then answer them in a Google Doc using the chapter book, and then hand those in to me this way. And then you have a practice quiz, and you'll notice you can take this practice quiz up to like 10 times. It's not a quiz like a test. It's just for you to learn. So you can take this as many times as you want to get 100, and it's just to help you learn the content. So I hope this is going okay for you. If you have any issues, please let me or Miss Clayton know. Don't be afraid to do that, and we will make sure that we're here to help you. So have a good week, and let me know if you have any questions.